Okay, all right, Mangalam. Well, for the Bank Nifty right now, there's a bit of consolidation which is taking place, and the Bank Nifty coolly above 40,300. So that's where the levels are. Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls joins in now to discuss what he's tracking technically today. Hi, Sacchitanand. Welcome to the show. Well, the key point is, what would your strategy be on financials at this point? Bank Nifty is consolidating, stock specific as well as for the Bank Nifty.
Good afternoon, Ekta. I think clearly both the indices are in a consolidation mode. But if you look at Bank Nifty, it is one shade better. In fact, the way it recovered yesterday from its 200-day exponential moving average and established a closing above this particular level of 40,000, I think that particular move itself was very commendable. The immediate hurdle for this particular index is somewhere close to 40,400. The moment we see it, surpassing it, we may see a very strong short covering rally which can unfold. So we are optimistic when it comes to Bank Nifty unless it holds above that 40,000 mark. And on the higher side, there is an expectation that once the breakout is established above 40,400, the rally may continue towards 40,750 to 40,900 itself. So I think the bias when it comes to some of the financials, it clearly remains on the positive side. But when we look at Nifty, despite of the fact that yesterday we saw a bullish hammer formation on its daily scale, the index has still not been able to surpass above its previous day swing high, which is somewhere close to 17,450, 455. So unless we don't see a breakout above that, it will be prudent to continue with some of the short positions here from an intraday perspective. The oscillation within this particular range of 17,450 to 17,350 may continue during the day as ICICI and ICICI, ITC and Reliance Industries are still under pressure. So probably it is a prudent strategy to go long in banks and stay put in when it comes to Nifty.
All right, prudent strategy to stay long in banks and maybe right puts on the other parts. Sachi, thank you so much for joining in and giving us that view. Individual stocks, what do you have for us?
Mangalam, I think if you look at today's price action itself, MCX is one particular counter that has been buzzing since the beginning of the day. If you look at the broader structure, we are seeing a classic broadening formation base getting revisited. And from that base itself, we have seen an elevated move. So the way it has surpassed the 1400 mark, probably we may see a very strong pullback rally getting unfolded here. And that's why we have recommended this stock to our clients as well. So we are expecting this particular move in MCX to extend towards 1530. Still long positions should be considered. The stop loss from here on should be placed at around 1390 on the lower side, and fresh longs from a positional perspective for a price target of around 1530.
All right, Sachi, thank you so much for joining in and giving us your views on the index and individual stocks. With that, let's talk about an important thing that